What happens when you don't file your tax return in FBAR? First, let's talk about tax return. It is required for U.S. citizens and permanent residents to file their U.S. tax returns every year. Even if you pay tax in foreign country, you may have to pay tax in the U.S., depending on your income level and the tax amount paid. If you have not filed your tax returns by the deadline, you may have to pay interest and penalty for filing late. You will be charged a penalty of 5% per month, up to 25% for unpaid taxes, and also the interest based on the penalty amount. If you can't pay the IRS back, the IRS will foreclose on the wages, put levies and liens on your assets. Along with the yearly tax return, the Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act, often called FATCA, is reported on Form 8938. It is a U.S. federal law, which states that U.S. persons are subject to file reports on non-U.S. financial accounts to the IRS. FATCA penalties may reach up to $10,000 for failure, and addition $10,000 for each 30 days you failed to file after receiving notice from the IRS. And the maximum penalty for FATCA violations will be $50,000. Now, what happens when you don't file FBAR, the report of foreign bank and financial accounts? The IRS may penalize you up to $10,000 per violation if you are non-willful. The willful penalty can reach up to 50% or $100,000, whichever is greater, per violation. So, what can you do to reduce or waive penalty that can be implied on your assets? The choice is simple. U.S. Tax Service has everything you need to facilitate compliance as the leading solution. Here's how we're gonna do. U.S. Tax Service will look for the best solution for each client, call the IRS to request a reduce or waive in penalty, and check thoroughly to make sure the penalty assessed has been updated on the account of each client. Visit our website on www.ustaxes.co.kr or call us today for more information.